Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel using the Pictory AI. Let's get started. First, search for the Pictory AI and then here go to the official link of the Pictory AI. Then, after that, you will land to the main dashboard and click Started for free. Then here in the home page, click Text to Video and use the ChatGPT to generate your video script by typing write a YouTube script about your topic and copy the script and paste it to the Pictory. And the Pictory AI will automatically generate video scenes, visuals, and text overlays based on your script. You can customize your video by changing the stock footage, text, styles, and voiceovers. You can also add background music and adjust the timing for better engagement. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can click export and download it. And finally, upload your video to a YouTube and stay consistent with posting to grow your channel. And that's it. That's how you start a faceless YouTube channel using the Pictory AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.